right, you guys, so we're going to jump into unboxing this bad boy. It comes with like a little mat that you can put on the table. It comes with glitter and little gloves and a popsicle stick. And then what else does it come with?
Oh, it comes with a unicorn.
Yep, unicorn. And it's in this nice little tight kind of styrofoam wrapping here, which works out pretty good. What do you think?
Cool.
It's going to be pretty cool. As it gallops across the tabletop. Alright, so we're going to set this off to the side and we're going to get the rest of the materials out here. What are we pulling out?
We're putting glitter and some gloves and a popsicle stick.
Yep, popsicle stick out of the wrapping there.
Wow, look how purple that is.
It's really shimmery, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Purpley purple.
And what is it? Look at that white.
Yep, and it has a little cup that's been partially destroyed because it was pushed in the box. But that's okay, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and lay this little plastic wrap or tabletop cover that comes with the kit on this little pallet here.
I thought it would be like gloves.
You don't need gloves for something simplistic like this. Now, if you're doing this by yourself, you probably need gloves. Oh, look, you do have gloves on. They good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All these pulled out for you, right?
Mm-hmm.
You got purple. What color is that?
Yellow. Red. No, that's pink. And blue.
It's more like an orange.
Let's see.
Like an orange or yellow? What color is that? Pink.
And blue.
Okay. All right, so we're going to take your little cup and you're going to gently pour. Just don't hold the cup. Just let the cup sit here like this. And you're going to gently pour them in. You can alternate them. So pour a little bit, pour a little bit, pour a little bit. Go back and forth. And then go pour some of the other one. Stop pouring. And then pour another one. And pour in different like little swirling designs as you pour them in. Okay. Pour another one.
So we're taking our time and we're pouring one color at a time. You don't have to rush.
Okay, get the next one. You can really just take your time, right? This is a teal, isn't it?
That's blue.
Teal. All right, go back and pour another one. Back to purple. All right, go back to the other one. Keep alternating them.
Hope I didn't pour onto the unicorn.
It's fine.
That's it.
Make sure it drains all out. Okay.
I think this one is not gone yet. Yeah, that's not gone yet.
Okay.
Gone.
All right, here's the next one. All right, kiddo, what is your favorite color out of these?
My favorite color is the bright purple because I just like it.
Good answer. Nice. All right, last one is the rest of the teal. Ooh. Nice. All right, cool. You're going to take your popsicle stick and you're going to gently swirl it around, but not a whole lot, just a little bit. Doing like just weird designs. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. I think that's about good. And then do like this, do like this. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you're going to gently pour it, but you need to make sure you cascade it at the very top pieces and let it drip down the sides. So the liquid just flows from the top point all the way down. We just want to make sure we get good coverage. What pulls the liquid down?
Gravity.
Gravity pulls it down. Very good. Get up around here at the top of the head and pause and let it drip for a second. Let it drip for a second. Get around the front of the head. And you just hold it up like this. Whoa. And then pause. Then you need to get the other side. Alright, so we're just going to let the paint and the last of the cup kind of drip down. And there's a little bit of excess left in the cup, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you know, because it's dripping from the top down over some of those edges, like around the chin, around the belly, the liquid doesn't drip down on that, right?
Right.
So all that's kind of like left white. We want to make sure we get at least a little bit of paint on there. That way it's just not a blank canvas or a blank crafted surface. So we're going to use that. What are we using?
We're using the popsicle stick to get all of those white parts. And then
so we're just going to take a little bit of the excess drippage of the paint from the bottom that's just running off onto the mat, and we're just going to use that to put some paint up, right?
Right.
Yeah, just kind of like a paintbrush, but you're just letting it just lay up there and just stick to it. Now this is supposed to be a glow-in-the-dark unicorn, right?
Right.
So at the very end of the video, we'll put some UV light on it just to see how it glows. But it's got UV paint like mixed in with the existing pinks and purples. The blue, I think, is what really glows, right?
Yeah, but the white and green actually really glows beautiful. Like the white glows green and the green glows green, and like it's
then
amazing.
Here you are putting on the glitter. That's the ultra fine glitter. It's super shiny, right?
Yes.
What were you trying to do here? Why were you putting it just on the head?
Because I'm trying to make a shiny mane. And like I said earlier, that purple looks amazing and glittery.
Right on.
Do you like the mane?
I love it.
Now time for this color. Now I'm going to spread this all around the body.
Okay. The hole's at the top right there. Get the other side. Make sure you get the other side, because you don't know which way it's going to be facing.
Now it's time for the final touch.
I would throw those at it. You can do a few like from the top, but I would throw them at it with your hand.
I'll do hand with these.
Do it with the other finger so you don't block the camera. Nice. Get on the butt. Get some more on the butt. I like it. Nice.
Now, you have to ask a parent to do this.
Alright, so what's the next step?
We're gonna let it dry over the night.
And then maybe we'll put a clear coat on it, and then we'll do some awesome glamour shots of it glowing and just super shiny, right?
Yeah.
Alright, right on. And just like that, guys, this little unicorn turned out absolutely awesome. Now, this was one of the very first acrylic pours that we actually ever did in the studio. And again, my daughter did this all on her own with just a little bit of nudging and guidance with me. So she did an absolute fantastic job. Now, this has been created for quite a while, and I'm just now getting to the point where I'm ready to upload this video finally. But as you can see here, with the glow-in-the-dark features on it, you can see it does glow quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and supercharge this, guys, and we'll show you what it looks like in a complete dark environment. It doesn't really have as much glow that I thought that it would have, so I'm having trouble getting it to glow very successfully. Next time, if me and my daughter ever make another one of these little porcelain glow-in-the-dark acrylic pours as a kit, then I'll probably go ahead and introduce more glow-in-the-darks in there as well. I hope to create more content like this in the near future, so if you're looking for just fun, easygoing kids projects, then you can find those under the kids collection here on my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys. I will catch you on the next awesome video from Byerly Studios. Later.